Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NanaYaa Tresses here once again. So today we're going to be talking about how exactly do you protect your hair when you've been exposed to swimming, whether salt water or chlorine water. And just in case you got some damage, how exactly do you bounce back from that? So that's what we're going to be discussing today, and if that's what you want to see, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. But if you're new here, hi, my name is NanaYaa of NanaYaa Tresses, and you're welcome to my channel. Over here we talk about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and some self-development. But with the beauty space, it's going about some hair, some makeup, some skin, and how to look flawless every day. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure you stay tuned, you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video, and follow me on Instagram, and let's get friends. Let's get into the video. Okay, so right now if you're watching this, it means you've probably had a very nice vacation, or you went to hang out with your friends and you guys were swimming almost all the time, or you were swimming either in the sea, in the pool, in an unknown river or water body and you're wondering, I think I just put up my hair. Well, what do you know? I have been there, I have done that, and I'm here to help you guys on how I bounce back, and I brought a Santra back to life. So, well, you may be asking, is it even damaging to swim? Yeah, yes and no. Let me explain. Okay, so normally with pools in Ghana, okay, I think pools in general, there is a substance called chlorine that's introduced into the water. Number one, to kill all the germs that might be inside, because you know in the pool everybody's swimming, releasing their own nasty germs inside. Some people will literally pee in it, spit in it. It's disgusting. I don't want to irk myself out, but that is the truth. Pools are very nasty, you guys. So yes, chlorine is introduced into the water to kill the germs as they are being introduced. Also, in some cases, it also helps to, keep the water clear and blue. So it has those benefits. Now, with that being said, normally chlorine being introduced into our bodies in small quantities is not dangerous, but for the sake of killing the animals, it has to be a little bit high. When that happens, that's where our hair begins to be like, what do you think you're doing? And if you know anything about chlorine, we know that it's a form of bleach. It is present in most ammonia bleaches that are used for dyeing our hair, for cleaning our houses, for brightening our clothes. So same thing is going to happen to your hair. It's going to try to act bleach-like to your hair. That's why most people who swim, their hair thins, their hair discolorizes, especially when we react to other chemicals in your products. That's what usually happens. No, with that being said, what about seawater? Amazing thing about salt is that salt is actually sodium, and you guessed it, chlorine. So because NaCl, oh, my science has come. Okay, so when that happens, when there's a high deposit of both the sodium and the chlorine in your hair, it can cause product buildup, which can lead to breakage, thin hair, and in some people, certain scalp irritations. Okay, now you might be like, okay, fine, I've gone through all that. Now what do I do? How do I help myself? How about let's do the prevention is better than cure method. So the prevention method is that before you go into any water body to take a swim, first things first, douse your hair in clear water. Like go stand under a shower and have the clear water run through your hair for some time, like really douse it in. Then secondly, coat your hair with coconut oil. One amazing thing about coconut oil is that because of the lauric acid in there, it helps prevent hydral fatigue. Also, because it's an oil, it coats your hair and prevents easy absorption of the water in your hair because of the whole osmosis thing. It prevents your hair being semi-permeable or a permeable membrane. So it coats it, prevents water from easily entering, because you all know that oil repels water. Same method with your hair. So when you coat your hair with the water first and you slightly wring your hair out, then you coat your hair with coconut oil. Let's just say maybe where you don't have coconut oil, an alternative is after you douse your hair with the water, put some conditioner in your hair. What if you don't have any? Then you just have to do with the regular water, and if you have any form of oil on hand, just put that in your hair. It helps. It goes a long way to prevent your hair from dying in the water. Okay, with that out of the way, what if you have already done that because you didn't know? How else do you prevent this tragic thing from happening? I got you, sis. So one thing you can do is that After you come back, right after you come out to the water, wash your hair with the water. Like wash your hair with clear water. Like literally stand under it and then have it run through your hair for a couple of minutes. And then if you have some conditioners and shampoos on hand, you can go ahead and wash your hair again. But if you don't have any on hand, just make sure that you really get the water in there by having the water run through your hair for a very extended amount of time, and then coat your hair with some oil or sealant of choice. Another way you can do that is that after you are done with your wonderful vacation, when you come back home, please clarify your hair. Use a sulfate shampoo or a clarifying shampoo or a chelating shampoo. If you don't have any on hand, you can do a clay wash. All those things will help to get rid of all the dirt and chemicals that may be sitting on your hair, and then the smell of all those nasty minerals that's deposited on your hair, and then your hair can be free to live its best life. Also, it's important to know that after you clarify your hair, please deep condition your hair. You can't say that, oh, your hair looks healthy. Yeah, that's the annoying thing about some of these chemicals. You don't see the results immediately. They build up with time, they take their time, they interact with other chemicals before they begin to be like, ha, hi, surprise. So yes, you have to make sure that when you come home after you clarify your hair, make sure you follow up with a moisture deep conditioner to restore some moisture into your hair. And in some cases, you can even do a light protein treatment to restore the protein that may be, lost by interaction with the chlorine. So those are some of the ways that you can save your hair from these kind of mineral buildups caused by swimming in the sea or in the pool. Have you ever experienced any of this? If yes, let me know in the comment section below. How did you battle it? Did you receive any breakage? If not, how did you fix it? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, NanaYaa Tresses, and I'll see you in my next video. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.